torque pipe.
2025 Scout 101. Drop some sexy music. Alrighty, check it out, people. We have the torqued exhaust, looking good. I mean, I freaking dig it. But what do I need that for?
You need that for
us.
The work flip flops.
Work flip flops. OSHA approved work flip flops. Only way shit gets done around here. But check it out, people. We are putting the new torqued system 2-to-1 on the Scout 101, the RydeCulture Scout 101. And we were just talking about, man, like this right here. I mean, I'm sure it comes off. This is no joke. I'm guaranteed we're gonna be losing some weight today. Do we have a scale?
No, we don't have a scale, unfortunately.
Oh, we do not have the scale. But what we'll do instead is just estimations.
Yep, guesstimation.
Guesstimation, like, wow, that's way heavier. Like an example. This isn't huge. This is average.
Not about the size.
I mean, that got some girth to it compared to this. Do we have any audio of that running?
This? No, I already.
What the heck?
I already put it on here. Because. Well, turn on a sewing machine.
Okay.
That's what this sounds like.
Okay. Well, then the next thing we'll do is what this bad boy sounds like. Let's go. Ooh, look at Spicy in the background, just like peeking at us. Woo-wee. All right, so we got it. We got it off the bike, pulled off. It's funny. This stock system without the muffler is like the same size as that, and then you got this. You got this bad boy, which is also the same size. So it's probably gonna be a little louder, that's for sure. But yeah, anyway. And then now that that's off, you can see this bracket is no joke. That's a big old girl right there. God, like that's really big. That's what she said. And then this will be the new bracket. So just judging head pipes versus head pipes, maybe they're close to the same size. Muffler change, huge difference. And then this will be the bracket. Yeah, it's gonna be way smaller. So anyway, yeah, torqued. Here we go, right here. Torqued. I got to meet the torqued team in Sturgis this year. Good group of, good team. Everybody I met, good team. And yeah, I like those guys. So it's kind of cool that they drew a connection with Mike here, RydeCulture, so they can start doing some fun things on the 101. Which, by the way, we're not done yet doing Scout content. God, imagine these mirrors painted by BC Customs. Ooh-wee, that would be looking good. So Mike had a little errand to do, so I went ahead and took this off. But Mike, feel how girthy this bad boy is.
That is some girth.
Bro,
That is.
I'm going to tell you this. If we take your stock parts and we take them and we melt them down,
We could
First of
probably
all, we
build
can
another bike.
yeah, or we at least send a whole bunch of levers to Bobby.
That's true. That's true.
But this is like, for reals, it's heavy as heck.
it's heavy as shit.
I just called Torque. I'm going to ask him how much weight savings we have. So we're going to have a number for you. Hopefully they have a number.
Yep. Hopefully they have a number.
But I just reached out to those guys. We'll see if they get back to me before I edit. All right, so the bracket goes here. Super chill. We just reused the bolts, the stock bolts, so at least we know that I got quality. And then this is where the muffler is going to fit. But not this giant, not this bazooka.
It's this one.
But that little sexy beast. Ooh-wee. So yes, and then let's go here. We got head part. We got all the
It's not
fun
the
stuff.
size that matters.
It's the sound.
Yes. It's the sound.
All right, Mike. So here we are. Head pipe, or let's just say head muffler.
Yeah. So This right here.
Hang on, look, turn this way just a little bit. Now drop some sexy music.
Yeah, so this thing right here is gonna be a little loud. Way louder than that pipe. So in the event that you have a shitty HOA or shitty neighbors, and they complain about your stuff, Torque provides this thing, which goes right here, gives it a little baffle.
But there's
you've got a little ring over here. You pop that out, throw this one in, pop the ring back in, then you're good to go.
Are you running that?
Hell no.
Hell no.
We're gonna be rowdy.
We don't like silencers.
I'm just giving you options. We only like silencers on our rifles.
Oh yeah. This is why I don't do install videos. Okay, what were you saying?
Yeah.
What were you saying, bro?
See, I was just looking at the welds on these right here. What for welded these? Dimes. Great welds. Love it.
That's like some man stuff right there.
Great welds right there as well. So can't complain.
Yeah.
Love it.
Oh yeah, God, it looks good.
Great welds.
Oh, so good. This is what happens when you catch me off of a 4-hour sleep and freaking 8 hours in the last 2 days, and I'm on day. What did I tell you? I'm day like 8 or 9 in a row. I'm trying to be Kevin over here.
I'm gonna need some anti-seize
because it gets hot.
Yes. Well,
yeah.
I don't want it to rust on there and all that jazz.
Well, once you put this on, you may never have to take it off. Why would you have to take it off?
I just want to be safe.
Dude, I'm really digging this little like cut here in the heat shield. Do you see this? Or did it like come to your mind?
No,
that looks sick, bro. Looks sick. Tell you what though, it is gonna have a little bit more heat than these big old fucking. Which, by the way, I do got to give it to Indian. These heat shields look pretty cool, and they did some pretty good bends in the back of their muffler too. Ooh-wee, look at that, people. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, buddy.
What are you doing though? Just so everybody knows for us.
Cleaning
Real
the
talk.
pipes.
Okay,
Cleaning the pipes.
Why?
One, because you don't want your fingerprints or any type of residue heated up on the pipe, and then all of a sudden it's there permanently.
Like the oil, basically, from your hands.
All the oils from your hands or any other, like the anti-seize we put on, the O2 sensors, any of that stuff that gets on the pipe, you got to clean that stuff off.
Yeah.
Clean your pipes.
Yeah. And you use acetone or brake clean, basically.
Yep.
Right.
You can take that stuff off.
Okay. All right, guys. So check it out. Here, I'll turn it around. All right, so I do got some numbers for you guys. Cliff got back to me like we knew he would. And should I do like piece by piece? Yeah, I'll do piece by piece. Sure. Okay, original exhaust. The mounting bracket alone. So literally this piece right here, that monster is 4.3 pounds. Where we have this little slight and tight baby in there. That's only 1.4. And then the head pipe, which is obviously this one, and then these, right? So just the head pipe. So the original head pipe is 13.7, where the torqued head pipe is 9 pounds even. And then we got the muffler, which this one is, nice and tight. And this one is a freaking grenade launcher or something. So this one is 12.5. Where the torqued muffler is 3.6 pounds. So stock equipment, 30.5 pounds. And the new torqued exhaust is 14 pounds. That's a savings of 16. Wait, is that right? 16 and a half? 16 and a half. So just power to weight ratio, guys. Every pound, it takes 7 horsepower, essentially. No, 7 horsepower. Sorry, 7 pounds. 1 horsepower moves 7 pounds. So this is 14. So that's just like gaining 2 horsepower right there just by being able to move it faster. Oh, oh yeah, I almost forgot about that. Yep. So anyway, that is that. So next thing is, I would say, is like a cold start or in a drive-by, ride-by.
Cold start, drive-by, in flip-flops.
Oh yeah, in flip-flops. All right.
First cold start. The new torque pipe.
2025 Scout 101. I'm so easily amused. Just look at the pure joy on this man's face. Look at that pure joy. Just the music to his ears. Joke, it did wake it up. It did.
It woke it up.
There's
a lot.
definitely a torque pool on that.
Yeah, no pun intended.
Oh, that's true. Dude, it for reals did. It wasn't that snappy when I rode it a while back.
No, it's not. It wasn't that snappy. Now it is.
Oh, fuck, that's a fun ride. That feels good.
It feels way different.
Holy shoes.
I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see him in my rear view. Switch.
Look at that. Woo, look at it. Woo. Alrighty, guys, that is it. Look at that. So we were just talking. Butt dyno 100% says that it was an increase. Dude, I felt the front wheel. I guarantee I should play on it a couple more minutes, but the front wheel is definitely coming up more than it did in the past. Yeah, Butt dyno says win.
Butt dyno says win.
For
sure.
Yep, and it has very low miles, so we reused exhaust gaskets. And what else? What do you got to say? I mean, as an engineer, as a freaking...
Oh, dude, it's super easy install. It is pretty straightforward. All the parts came with it. Everything fit the way it's supposed to. Zero complaints on it whatsoever. Sounds freaking great.
I think the sounds
great, and it's unexplainable. Just the feeling from the stock.
Yeah.
One, and then just putting a pipe on.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Just the difference.
Yeah, she rowdy now.
She rowdy for sure.
Woo! Ah, dang it.
Now see if Jorge likes it.
Yeah, and also a little sneak peek to everybody watching. Some big plans coming in the future for this one.
Yep, some big
more
plans.
Performance stuff.
Yes.
Not just butt dyno, but real dyno, real cool stuff.
Yep. And then BC Customs is getting involved too. I don't know if Jorge wanted us to say that, but
I don't know. At least he needs some fucking mirrors and levers. Is all I'm saying. Yeah, at the very least.
I hear George is going all out on this one.
Anyway, stay tuned, guys. Checked out Torqued. Is it torqued.com?
Yeah, it's Torqued.
Addict.com.
Yeah, Torqued Addict.
Fuck. There's a link. There's a link somewhere. All right, guys. You could probably Google and figure it out. But we'd highly recommend for not just your 101s, but all the new Scouts, right?
Right.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. I would recommend it on any of them. So, check them out. And this is a great option for you guys and your guys' Scouts. So, till next time, ride hard, ride fast. Add somebody you don't know. Peace.